Well, hi there, pluckers. Iversore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me, Iversore Fingers, for another guitar lesson. This one is for all you Bryan fans out there. He's just released a new song and I've been asked for some help with it already. Song called Codeine Pills. Okay, very simple as far as the guitar is concerned. Okay, standard tuning, capo 2nd fret. Okay, got that? Once you've got the capo on the 2nd fret, we're away. And there's basically 3 main chords in it and 1 chord he plays at once, as far as I can tell. So the song starts off with this business. It's sort of that's basically it for the whole song. Okay, apart from one very small bit which I'll show you in a second. Okay, so we've got 3 chords here. We've got a bar chord on the 4th fret from the capo, or the 6th fret in real life. Okay, and you need to fret beside the bar. You need your 3rd finger. Well, I'm playing with my 3rd finger and pinky on the 8th fret of the 4th string and the 8th fret of the 3rd string. So 8th fret of the 4th string and 3rd string fretted along with the bar. Okay, all 6 strings should sound like that. 2nd chord is 2 frets down on the 2nd fret from the capo, or the 4th fret in real life. Same shape, exactly the same shape, just move it down 2 frets, and then you've got your 2nd chord, which is so the 1st chord is basically in this key is an A sharp sus4. Okay, go down 2 frets and you've got a G sharp sus4. Same chord shape, should sound like that, and then basically you go down to the bar with these 2 fingers. Take the bar off and just slide these 2 fingers down to the 2nd fret from the capo, and you've got an F sharp sus4 chord. Okay, those are the 3 main chords. Okay, so it's when he starts to sing, right at the beginning of the song, he does actually slide these 2 down and up. So it goes, so, and then that one, back to this one, and he slides it back up again. Okay, so. For most of the song, he's either doing single strokes, that sort of thing, or just strumming them all. Okay, the slide bit is mainly at the beginning. Okay, and the only other chord that he plays in this song, as far as I can tell, is about 1 minute 42 into the actual video of the song being played. He's doing this, I presume it's the chorus, where he goes something about codeine pills and booze or something or other. So codeine, booze and booze. He does a quick E chord shape, and that's an F sharp major chord, but it's an E shape. Okay, and he just does that once, as far as I know. It's the end of the chorus, I suppose, when he sings. Let's just play it and I'll tell you what he says.
We're choosing.
That's right. We're choosing. It's something about codeine, pills and booze, or something. Choosing. That's about 1 minute 42 into the video. Okay, and then he goes back to the 3 chords. That's the only time he plays that E. Okay. And there you have it. That's basically, watch the video and play along and you'll see that fits into the song. And you'll be able to play along with it no problem at all. Okay, don't forget capo second fret and away you go. Thanks very much for watching, just a quickie, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.